To set up exponential moving average or EMA on TradingView, start by opening the TradingView platform and navigating to the chart of your preferred asset. Click on the Indicators button located at the top of the chart. This will open a new window where you can search for various indicators. In the search bar, type exponential moving average and select the EMA option from the drop-down list. This will add the EMA indicator to your chart. You can now configure the EMA settings to suit your needs, such as changing the length or period of the moving average. The length of the EMA determines how sensitive it is to price movements, with shorter lengths being more sensitive and longer lengths being less sensitive. For example, a 50-period EMA will be less sensitive to price movements than a 20-period EMA. To add multiple EMAs to your chart, repeat the process of selecting the EMA indicator and configuring the settings. This can be useful for comparing different timeframes or identifying crossovers between EMAs of different lengths. It is also possible to customize the appearance of the EMA on your chart, such as changing the color or line style. To do this, click on the gear icon next to the EMA indicator in the Indicators window and select the settings you prefer. When using EMA in your trading strategy, it is essential to consider the context of the market and other technical indicators. EMA crossovers can be a useful tool for identifying trends and potential buy or sell signals, but should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis. By following these steps and experimenting with different EMA settings, you can effectively use the exponential moving average indicator on TradingView to inform your trading decisions and improve your market analysis.